Hi everyone. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to enable and set up Bluetooth on Windows 10. By the end, you'll know how to turn it on and connect your devices with ease. First, click the Windows icon in the bottom left corner, or press the Windows key on your keyboard. Next, click on the settings icon, and it looks like a little gear. This opens the main settings menu where you can customize your computer. Inside settings, select the section called Devices. This is where you manage Bluetooth, printers, and other connected hardware. On the left sidebar, click Bluetooth and Other Devices. Here you can see all Bluetooth options in one place. To enable Bluetooth, flip the toggle switch to On. When it turns blue, Bluetooth is now active and your computer will begin scanning for nearby devices. Keep in mind that Bluetooth only works if your PC has the right hardware. If you don't see the toggle, your device may not support Bluetooth. To connect something new, click Add Bluetooth or Other Device. This starts the pairing process and searches for anything nearby. Make sure your external device is in pairing mode so your computer can detect it. Then, just select it from the list and confirm any prompts, and that's all it takes to enable Bluetooth and connect your devices on Windows 10. Now you can enjoy wireless headphones, speakers, or any other Bluetooth gadget with your PC.